How to share a printer from Windows 10 to 11. What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can easily share a printer from Windows 10 to Windows 11. But before we get started, I want you to head down below to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel. Let's begin. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to the host computer, that is your Windows 10, and here you just want to open up your control panel first, and then from here click on view devices and printers. So once you do that, you will get a list of your printers. So select the printer that you want to share and right click on it. Then from here click on properties, and once you get to properties, on the top you can see different tabs like general and sharing. Tap on the sharing tab. From there you want to click on share this printer, so just check that box, and once you do that click on apply and then OK, and after that click on network and sharing center, which will open up a new window. Just remember that this is all happening on your host computer. On the left side of your screen you'll see change advanced settings. Click on it, and from here you want to turn off network discovery and then turn off file and printer sharing as well. So once you turn it on, what you want to do is on the all networks you will see the drop down. Just click on it and then turn on this option right here, and after you do that you just want to turn off password protect sharing. Alright, so once you have done that you just click on save changes. Once you do that, you just want to check your host IP. So open up your command prompt and then type in ipconfig. So once you type that in, press enter and you will be shown your IP address. So the IPv4 address is your IP address for your PC. So just remember that. Once you do that, you just want to head over to your client's computer. Once you get to your client's computer, all you have to do is open up the run dialog box and type in / and the IP that you have just checked. So click on OK and you will be shown all of the sharing that has been done from the host computer, which also includes the printer. Right click on the printer and click on connect. After doing that, you should be able to connect to your printer on your client's computer as well. If you found this helpful, hit the like, share and subscribe button. I will see you guys on the next one.